There's something about a bike that doesn't ask for attention. It demands it. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Breakout is exactly that kind of machine. Low, long, and unapologetically bold, this is not just a motorcycle. It's a statement on the road. Now, I've been around bikes for over 15 years, and I can tell you, the Breakout has always had a strong presence. But the 2026 model takes that attitude and sharpens it. From the stretched stance to the wide rear tire, everything about this bike screams power and confidence. It's built for riders who don't follow trends, they set them. Engine and performance. Under the tank, you're getting that Milwaukee-Eight engine, delivering smooth but aggressive torque. Twist the throttle, and the response is instant. This isn't a high-revving sport bike. It's a torque monster made for cruising highways and owning every straight road you touch. The ride feels solid, planted, and surprisingly smooth for a bike that looks this aggressive. Design and features. Let's talk design. The Breakout keeps that classic chopper-inspired look, but adds modern touches. You've got LED lighting, a minimal digital display, and that signature fat rear tire that just dominates from the back. It's simple, but every detail is intentional. Riding experience. When you sit on this bike, you feel low to the ground, stretched out, and in control. It's comfortable for long rides, but let's be honest, this bike is more about style and presence than carving corners. It's made for cruising, for being seen, and for enjoying every mile without rushing. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Specifications and features may vary based on location and updates from Harley-Davidson. Always check with your local dealer before making any purchase decision. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Breakout isn't trying to be everything. It knows exactly what it is. A bold, powerful cruiser built for riders who want to stand out. If you're looking for comfort, style, and raw road presence, this bike delivers in a way few others can.